Choose the biggest part. It will become a dense base for the floor. How about an artificial lawn? Use printed pieces and veneer to make tall walls. Apply Elmer's glue and evenly spread it over the surface. Wait! Where are you going?
Wow!
Make a corner out of the walls. Add a wooden insert. Wow! There are so many treasures here! Houseplants always create a cozy atmosphere. Install a white part for the terrace. Add some stones and shells, too. Start working on the next craft. We need to get everything ready. Cut a window out. The walls are covered with wallpapers. The terrace is separated with balusters. Make a bed. Add a soft layer. Put the bed in the corner. Make a felt pillow. A green carpet will make the room look fun. There's a ledge with curtains above the bed. Join a couple of wooden beads. Turn them into a vase. Plants are always a good idea. A couple of hollow squares and a wooden tabletop become a nightstand. Add decor. There's a magazine on the bed. Slippers are here. They'll keep the feet warm. There is a life ring on the terrace. Make a comfortable deck chair. The owners love to sunbathe. Make supports for the second floor. Add LED lights between the walls. Wooden floors are a classic. There are trees on the wallpaper. The walls are decorated with paintings. Make a ladder out of steady pieces. Vertical elements will become a partition. Put beads on a wire. Attach a rectangular support. Add a bead leg to the round tabletop. We can make a tablecloth out of polka dot fabric. Super cute! Make decorations for the table out of small details. Vases, bottles, and vintage containers go with the style. Make small benches. Cut a piece of wire and bend an arc. We made a back! Now guests can sit behind the table and have morning tea. There's a deck chair nearby. Modern designs require unusual solutions. The bottom floor can take up less space. And part of the top floor can be up in the air. That's amazing! Add some more stones. Moss is growing on them. Let's take the building to Hawaii. Add one more life ring. Connect the bottom part of the terrace to the top by using a ladder. Add lights. Now the rooms are well lit. Wooden arcs join to make a corner. They protect this comfy place. Remove the protective tape and add glass to the house. It looks like water! Add floor. Make a threshold. Mark the zones with printed tiles. Cover the future walls with wallpaper. Put the partitions together. The second floor is covered with tiles. Wow, there are so many steps! Snap! The stairs are ready! You can hear the ticking of the clock. Make a fence out of wooden skewers. Beads and wires got together to make ceiling lights. Glue a couple of wooden pieces to make a bar. The tabletop is covered with glasses and bottles. Welcome! Hang LED lights. Make a coffee table. Secure leg beads. Add decor. It's all in the same style. Snap! We added to our furniture collection. Make a wooden stand. Put it in the corner. There can't be too much decor. Add glass to the window. A vine appeared around the arch. An elegant window frame is in place. A wooden circle and a thimble join to make a table. Add a chair to it. It's so nice to relax on a terrace with a view of the ocean. Make an umbrella according to folding lines. There's a pearl on top. Make a steady support. Now bad weather or bright sun won't keep you from relaxing. Add stones to the corner. Make columns out of textured cardboard. Secure a rounded flooring on them. Separate a balcony with flowery rails. Hang a sign. Welcome! Make a piano out of white details. Soon the house will be full of music. Silk curtains decorate the windows. Put fabric and cubes inside the bottle. Shake it! Snap! We made a tiny piano bench. The pianist has a place to sit now. Add the rest of the walls and a roof with openings. Windows will be secured inside them. We made an open terrace on the top floor with a lawn and rails. Water a flower. Install deck chairs and a table. This building is on the roof of the resort complex. Make sails. Yes, there are real ships near the entrance. Add a clear wall with flying seagulls. Our resort is amazing. It's like heaven on earth. We invite all the citizens of Lollytown to come visit the faraway islands and enjoy the best vacation of their lives. They can watch the sunset on an open terrace, sit in the sun rays, and listen to the sound of seagulls. Believe me, this trip will be unforgettable.